328P. It has 28 pins. These are the different features of Atmega 328P. It has 23 I/O pins which are divided into 3 ports. Port B, Port C, Port D. B and D will have 8 pins. Port C will have 7 pins. It have 3 timers and 3 types of serial communication. SPI requires 4 pins. I2C requires 2 pins. UART requires 3 pins. And this is inbuilt op amp, which is having one inverting and one non-inverting and inverting inputs. ADC, it is having 6 channels. Output is 10 bit. No pins are there. It is internal. To connect the oscillator, there will be 2 pins. It will have inbuilt oscillator as well as we can connect external oscillator. And it have 2 external interrupts, INT0, INT1. In addition to this, for every GPIO pin, we have one pin change interrupt. So we will cover all these things one by one. So first, ports. First, power supply. So this IC requires power supply. First 14 pins are there. 14 by 2, 7, exactly at the middle. Supply, this side, ground. Supply for the IC. Next, supply for ADC also requires power supply. So this ground is for AVCC, AREF, and this ground is for this VCC. 5 power supply pins. So power supply over. Next, GPIO, 3 ports. So start from here. PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6. Port C is having 7 pins. So 0 to 6. Next, port B and D have 8 pins. So it ended here. Start at this bottom. PB0, PB1, PB2, PB3, PB4, PB5, PB6, PB7. Next, port D, remaining pins. PD0, PD1, PD2, PD3, PD4, PD5, PD6, PD7. So these are the default operation pins. What are the multiple functions? What are the remaining functions associated with them? Those functions will represent in brackets. So first we'll go for ADC. So ADC have 6 channels. This port C is connected to ADC. So PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5 corresponds to ADC0, ADC1, ADC2, ADC3, ADC4, ADC5. ADC over. Next, you have serial communications, 3 serial communications, SPI, I2C, UART. SPI have 4 pins below the power supply, these 4. It requires clock, master input, slave output, master output, slave input, SS bar. 4 pins for serial communication SPI. I2C requires 2 pins. One for clock, one for dead. UART requires 3 pins. Receiving, transmission and clock. So this PC6 is also meant for reset. Then serial communication UART. RxD, TXD, leave 2 pins. This is XCK. UART communication, transmission, receiving and clock. So this is also over. మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ 2 pins ఉన్నాయి. These are 2 interrupts. INT0, INT1. Okay. So remaining. So interrupts over. Again, oscillator. Oscillator is from supply below supply. XTAL1, XTAL2. It may be crystal oscillator or oscillator. Oscillator 1, oscillator terminal 2. Next, ఇంకేమున్నాయి? Oscillator also over. Ports over. Interrupts over. Op amp and timers. So op amp is at pin number 12 and 13. A in 0, A in 1. 2 inputs. Op amp over. Timer 0, timer 1, timer 2. Okay. So PD4 is for timer 0. PD5 is for timer 1. Timer counter pins ఉంటాయి కదండి, T2 కి పిన్ ఉండదు. In addition to timer operation, we have output compare mode for 3 timers. So output compare for timer 0, for timer 1, for timer 2. For each timer, match A, match B. So how to remember that? Start from this bottom. Output compare of 1A. Output compare of 1B. Next, output compare of 2A. B will be here, pin number 5. Output compare 2B. So 1 2 అని 0 అవ్వాలి, 0 ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయండి. పిన్ నెంబర్ 12 and 13. So pin number 12 and 13 represent, just a minute, pin number 12, sorry, pin number 11 and 12. Output compare timer 0 A, output compare timer 0 B. ఒకదానికి ఇన్పుట్ క్యాప్చర్ ఉంటుంది, అది ఇన్పుట్ క్యాప్చర్ ఫర్ టైమర్ 1. And at this PB0 pin we can observe the clock CLK out. So by 8 తో ఆపరేట్ అయితే కనుక ఈ పిన్ దగ్గర మనం ఏ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీతో ఆపరేట్ అవుతుందో చూడవచ్చు. ఓకే. సో టైమర్స్కి సంబంధించిన T0, T1, T2 ఉండదు. ప్రతిదానికి అవుట్పుట్ కంపేర్ 2 అయిపోయినాయి. టైమర్ 1కి ఇన్పుట్ క్యాప్చర్ 1. ఓకే. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ పోర్ట్ B. పోర్ట్ Bలో 0 ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? BCD పోర్ట్స్ కదా, PB0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఫర్ ఈచ్ పోర్ట్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ PCINT 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి PB0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 PCINT 0 1 2 3 4 అప్ టు 7 వస్తుంది. B తర్వాత పోర్ట్ C, ఇక్కడ 7 అయిపోతే నెక్స్ట్ 8తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. PC 7 ఉండదు, PCINT 15 ఉండదు. అండ్ అగైన్ 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 PCINT 23. So this is how you can remember the pin diagram of Atmega 328P. సో ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కింద టేబుల్ వేస్తాం. పిన్ నెంబర్ 1 ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయో చూసుకోండి. పోర్ట్ Cలో 6th పిన్ అండ్ రీసెట్ కింద ఆపరేట్ అవుతుంది. పిన్ నెంబర్ 2 పోర్ట్ Dలో 0 అండ్ USARTలో రిసీవర్ కింద ఆపరేట్ అవుతుంది. పోర్ట్ 3 పోర్ట్ Dలో ఫస్ట్ పిన్, USARTలో TXT కింద యూజ్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ దట్ At every pin you have the functions and you need to write them. Okay.